Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open Medibang Paint on your iPad and immediately create a new canvas with the resolution you need. Pick orientation and DPI for print or screen. Then, connect and calibrate your Apple Pencil. Adjust pressure and tilt curves in the pen preferences so strokes feel natural. Once done, import a reference image or a quick sketch onto a separate layer. Lower its opacity to about 30 to 60% and lock it. This gives you a visible guide without interfering with linear. Now refine and commit to your line work. Select an inking brush and enable the stabilizer or correction settings to smooth jittery strokes. This keeps lines clean when zoomed in. Make layer organization deliberate. Name layers for sketch, ink, flats, shading, and group them. That allows toggling and non-destructive edits. For comics or structured layouts, use the ruler, perspective, and panel tools. Snap settings and guides ensure clean borders and consistent vanishing points. Also, use zoom and rotate canvas to maintain steady hand angles. Finish by applying flats and then lock transparency on color layers so you can shade without crossing edges. Use clipping and multiply layers for shadows and add highlights on an overlay layer. Once complete, export in the desired format, PNG for web, PSD for multi-layer edits, or PDF for print. Confirm color profile and file size. If performance drops, try reducing canvas resolution, flattening heavy layers, or disabling live filters. If issues persist, save, force quit Medibang.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.